friends. In this video I am going to show you how to find out inactive Facebook friends. So let's start. Open your Chrome browser. Now type friends filter. Now open the website. Hit allow. Now open extension. Synchronize your friends. Wait till the process complete. Now sync engagement. Wait. Okay. So now go to the friends tab. You can see here inactive friends. So for example, I want to remove this one. Open his profile and unfriend. So this is the way you can find out inactive friends. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.